Hello, brilliant young minds. Today we're going to slice into the world of fractions using something delicious. Pizza! Imagine you have a whole pizza. Yum. When we cut this pizza into pieces, each piece is a fraction of the whole pizza. Simple, right? Before we dive deeper, let's learn an important word, denomination. It might sound fancy, but it's just a way to talk about types or categories. When we cut our pizza into pieces, we can say each piece is part of a denomination based on how many pieces there are. But we don't just use denomination for pizza. It's a word we use in many places. For example, when dealing with money, if you have a $10 bill, $10 is a denomination. It tells us the value of the bill. In similar ways, stamps have denominations too. A stamp might have a denomination of 55 cents, which tells you how much it is worth. I would like to withdraw $100, please.
What denomination would you like, 10s or 20s?
So what denomination will it be today? 4 slices or 8? They really don't talk that way, but they could. This is what denomination means. And that is why we call it the denominator. Look at this pizza cut into 6 pieces. Each piece is one part of the whole pizza. In fractions, the number of pieces a whole is divided into is called the denominator. For our pizza, the denominator is 6 because there are 6 slices. Just like different bills are called different denominations because of their values. Each slice represents a part of our pizza's total value. So remembering what these words mean will help you in not just math, but in seeing how things fit together in everyday life too. Let's talk about the fraction 3/4. Imagine you have a whole thing, like a chocolate bar, and you divide it into 4 equal parts. Each part is 1/4 of the whole bar, and 4 is the denominator of the fraction.
Now, if you were to eat 3 of those 4 parts, you would have eaten 3/4 of the chocolate bar. The number on top, the 3, tells us how many parts you ate, and the number on the bottom, the 4, tells us the denomination, or how many parts there were.
By understanding fractions like 3/4, you get better at math and better at figuring out parts of things in everyday life. Now we're going to learn about the special type of fraction called improper fraction. Imagine you have a pizza cut into 4 slices. Normally, if you eat 3 slices, you'd say you ate 3/4 of the pizza. But what if you're really hungry and ate 5 slices from 2 pizzas? That's where improper fractions come into play. An improper fraction is when the top number or numerator is larger than the bottom number, or the denominator. In our pizza example, eating 5 out of 4 slices would be written as 5/4. This means you ate more than one whole pizza. Why do we use improper fractions? They help us describe situations where you have more than a whole. It's like saying, I didn't just eat a whole pizza, I ate a whole pizza and then some. So remember, they're just another way to express quantities that are more than a whole. They show us sometimes in math and in life. We get little extra. On the other hand, it might be improper to eat more than one whole pizza. Maybe that's why they call these improper fractions.